In this video we're going to look at the capital letter E. Now the capital letter E can be done in various ways. It's essentially a backwards 3. So we start off light up, dark down, and that's our capital letter E when it's on a slant. It's not a very difficult letter. The main things are that the top part here is smaller than the bottom part. If our line is like so, then we come up here, we're slanting them back slightly, in, back, and away. The top is actually can be quite a lot smaller than the bottom, as I have made it here, or we can make them more equal, like that, or even bring the top down even lower, like that. That depends really on your style. It's not a hard letter, so we go light up, dark down, light up, dark down, light up. I'll do this one more time. Light up, dark down, light up, dark down, light up. Now this pen I'm using is a Japanese art pen. It gives a nice variation in line, as you can see. If I do the standard long S pattern with this pen, it gives me a very nice distinction between light up and dark down. Much more so than you would get with a ballpoint pen. I'm writing on pretty shoddy photocopy paper, so the ink is spreading, but that doesn't really matter for this purpose. So here we go again. Our E, like so. If I change pens and use the calligraphy pen I've been using earlier, which gives a line that's much more similar to the line of a ballpoint pen, light up, dark down, light up, dark down, light up. As you can see, it's a much thinner line, and it is essentially a backwards 3. The top is smaller, the bottom has the weight. This loop here at the top can cross over like that. The letter can be on quite a sharp angle, or it can be much more vertical. Like that. And you could even make it's to a right angle here, so you see what I'm talking about. You can make this letter pretty vertical if you wish. But the issue here with this letter, of course, is that if it make it completely vertical, optically it does look like it's falling over backwards. So it's better to give it a very slight forward slant. Like that, with the bottom loop being further back than the front loop. Even if you're doing it vertical, you really need to do that. At the bottom needs to be much further back than the top. Apart from that, there's not much to say about this letter. It's essentially a double C. It's composed of a C, a loop, and another C underneath it. That's how you think of this letter. 2 C's, a small c and a large one. And that's the letter E.